Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes I feel like all my devices are about to die. And that's why I think these Miady battery chargers are a great idea. Now, the reason why these are so useful to me is because I use my devices a lot. And if I realize that my phone or tablet are running on fumes and I need them, which I feel most people agree with me, I can just pull it out. They are so nice and sleek. Not only do they look nice, but you can slip them into your purse, my husband's bag, and you can take them out and charge either or. Now, to charge them, you can use either a USB-C or a micro USB, and it will start blinking immediately once each level of power has been reached. The blinking light goes solid, so you know when you have all 4 solid blue lights, it is fully charged and you're good to go. This was a great find. It is perfect for if you're out and about all day and run into needing to charge up your devices, if you're camping, or even if you deal with power cuts in your area. They are super nice to have. Not only can they charge phones, tablets, but really any device that needs to be plugged in, as long as it has a cord that has a USB hookup, you're good to go. You can have all the power you need. So I hope you find these to be useful in your future endeavors, and that's my point of view.